case, I am the one you have been looking for. Up Munga. Udoka Wukeje. Mama Sijuku. Up
I'm talking to you, sir. The late king gave his son Clinton a mandate that he should unite all his blood lineage. The reason being that he wants to wipe away poverty completely out of his territory. Now let me shock you. Many have been harmed and have been made rich. From what you told me about your father, it means that you are the one. Today, my quest is complete.
Hey, I'll go back. Have you seen it? I'm happy for you.
Obe.
Remember me in your kingdom.
Obe, look at me. Who would have believed I came from a wealthy family all these years and I've been suffering? Hey, God. I knew it. I knew it because my spirit never deceives me. Obe, I want to give you an assignment from now on. Go to all the car shops. Check for the latest 470 Lexus. 470. Yes, 470 Lexus. Check for it. That is what I would drive. 470 for me. 350 for my wife. 330 for my son. What happened now? Whoom. We manage them. Whoom. One. Put them together. Whoom. Whoom. One.
I'll go back. You should have waited to know if you're the true relative or not. And you are here talking about the kind of car you want to buy.
Enemy of progress. Look at her. Enemy of progress.
I'm sure it's the one. I will inform them so you can come over for more explanation.
Give me the house address.
It's alright, sir. I will give you the house address. We will go over there. I will inform them. They will be waiting for you.
I cannot wait.
Pardon me. I collected your photograph. I'm sorry about it. It's not as if I am lusting after you anyway. But I just love you. I love you.
This man, you didn't hear something, Abi?
No, I said I love her. I love her.
I drink. Come here. Come.
You pity this man.
Avid, you know, that good man.
So you love me, Abi?
Makachuku, I love you.
We can't talk with that now.
Please, if it is Dikeh, I am ready to pay. I will pay. I will in fact don't pay any
talk
cover.
This thing. They talk this. They made me vex. They made me vex.
Okay.
And they look your age. They talk. They pay me. Who's time must be that now? Who's time must be that?
Sorry.
This way you talk now. That's what they talk so. Not be adult. Not be adult. You don't follow us. Come here. Who be first to talk with this photo talk?
They go better like small pikin. Small pikin talk. Now you talk so. They follow Gina. Small pikin talk. Now you just talk so. You love Gina. You love Gina.
Sorry, no, but I just said I love you.
You see the talker. Can tell you. Oh yeah, come they go.
Okay.
Come on here, come they go. Come on, say something again. Oh. You like this way, they pay me. They pay me. You be more.
Okay.
You be more. You see there?
Guys.
Oh yeah, come they go.
Okay.
Come they go. They go. Enter your motor. My lover. Come first. Your lover.
Sorry.
hear me, oh.
I hear them.
Huh?
I hear them.
You know you say what you talk now? Na nonsense.
I hear them.
I can't say me you beat them. You say you no go fit.
No, be say I no go fit. I go fit. If you say na small pikin like me, you know say na old man. Now you make am.
You know lie na old man. Let's come begin to do that kind of. Go house. Now your person. Now your person.
I have made it. Money has come. I am rich. God has located me.
Uba, why are you disgracing us in this house?
This is not the place. Oh. I am rich. Everybody that has here, come out and hear me. God has visited me.
Offor, what is it?
You are here.
Don't tell me you're still on this your drinking habit.
Oh yes, I am drunk. I am in money. I am drunk. I have made it. In fact, I want to throw a party. Neighbors, come out, come out. Come out, eat and drink. Put the bills on me, I will pay. God has visited me. Mom, let me tell you what happened today. I was told that late Chief Augustine Okeke, one of you. Ochiras one. Ochendo one. One the number one of Anambra was my relative. Can you see? I have made money. Neighbors, come out. You will eat and drink. The expenses will be on me. I'll pay. Let's go inside. I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. I sit. I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. I will not go. What nonsense. I'm going to kill him. Do you know where he lives?
No, I don't. Daddy, the man said he wasn't collecting money from me because at some point, Mom was nice to him.
What? Which mom?
You.
Me? I don't know that man. I don't think I've ever seen that man. Besides, I've been nice to a lot of people in the city. So why would he be an exception? I don't know him.
It's okay. I know what to do. I am going to take care of this thing.
Better. Wait, Gina, were you able to collect a photo from him?
Before, we will collect.
Good.
But most worrisome was the man is the father of my rival in school. The girl I told you has Titus fish nose. That girl.
What?
I hope they will not use it for juju.
I'm going to arrest them. I am going to arrest them.
Sir, I don't think it's necessary. The way we handle him today, he will never come close to us again.
Clean out.
That's good now.
Okay, don't worry. Just go in and rest. I'm going to take care of this thing my own way. I'll deal with them.
What's wrong with you? Man, says I know him. How can I make such a person? I don't know him. Just deal with him. Well, thank you for telling me. What is your father about you?
I don't know. If you see the way that foolish girl was embarrassing Dad, and he was busy begging her.
What is confusing is, what is he doing with her picture?
That's it. I feel so ashamed of myself after what she did to me in school today. I saw her humiliating dad.
So Carlo decided to cheat on me with a girl of his daughter's age.
Mary. So you are now the devil incarnate that troubles me and troubles that girl. Mary, instead of you to go to school and learn, instead of you to go to school and receive your lectures, you have deemed it necessary to trouble that little girl. Isn't it?
So Carlo, listen to me.
Huh?
So it is true. It is true that you are after a girl of your daughter's age. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Oh, come on, you call on your run. If you are there, Maggie.
No. What are you talking? Mary, is that what you told your mother?
Huh? No. Is that what you heard from her? That I, Carlo, is running after a young girl? Okay?
Look at me! Hey!
Are you right? Are you mad?
Leave me alone! You're ready!
Look, see there. I your pen put.
Yeah, again, how are you?
You don't show again, carry on that bros, full of body. You know what I alone. Why not be yourself? Why pass Margaret? Now waiting.
Come on. Is it not high time you stopped? I came to have a word with you.
Yeah, what am I? Talk now, not be talk we don't talk since. Talk again. Nobody will you know carry this shit. You walk alone. Last now, someone will follow you. Maybe
Gina, my friend here is a nice person. Why don't you give him some listening time?
Sadly, that's all I...
You don't follow and chat me. A group chatting. And you can't stroke. With that side. You stroke me go to share and word. That's the word. Or word down. Stroke with that side, me go to share to talk. Last I did business house now. Station we say we'll meet for school. You know it will happen that time when you come. Come and school, we'll talk to them.
Really?
That's all.
Okay, that's okay then. I'll meet you tomorrow then in school.
Obaka, how can this be possible? Please stop fooling yourself and this family. Do you know who that man is? How can the connection be?
Papa, I heard everything you said to them. Please, stop it. If this is a dream you have been dreaming all your life, stop it. Stop disgracing us in this house. I was thinking you called us here to discuss Obina. Because what he said is getting me mad. It's just, I don't just understand. How could his boss send him away because the wife said he wants to sleep with her? How?
Tricia, what are you trying to say? Are you saying I'm joking or I'm playing? Huh? After all these years I spent with them, you think I came back here with jokes?
Obinna, calm down. Why are you talking? Your Oga and his wife have made the greatest mistake of their lives. They can go to hell for all I care. God has visited us. Very soon, just very soon, we'll be settled more than they can ever imagine. I'm not going.
Papa, is that all you have to say?
Ma, I'm still coming to say more.
Instead of you to go and meet his Oga and know what the real problem is. Your son here saved him for years, and he came back to this house with nothing. And you're here putting your hope on what one useless drunk fellow of yours told you at the bar, isn't it?
Mind your mouth. Watch your tongue. Watch your tongue.
Trisha, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth, oh. Are you mad?
Obinna, you can call me whatever you like. You can say whatever you like. But let me tell all of you, Obinna here is the only hope we have in this house. And if he fails to perform his duty and decide to come back to this house and stay with us, I will carry my bag and leave. I will leave you people. What is it? I know you cook aneme, also aneme. Ogini, this is the reason we are here. We are here to talk about this poverty issue and end it once and for all.
No, leave her. So I'm the only hope you have. So you're hopeless. Can you imagine? It's not your mate. It's not your mate that is there making money and bringing to their parents. Can you imagine?
Monica, I'm not called John.
Obaka.
I'm not called John.
I'm not called Obaka.
How are you?
Yes, what is it?
Please, could you help me tell me where Gina is? I want to see her quickly.
You want to see Gina? Hey, Keisha. Wonders shall never end. Wait though, Clinton or whatever is your name. Gina asked you to go and brush up. And you went and borrowed clothes. This time it's not just car, but you borrowed clothes too. Hey, guys, see, and let me just advise you. You see, Gina, she's not your type. You had better go and look for a low-class girl like yourself and forget about my friend Gina. Okay? Gina is not your type.
Listen, can you bring down your voice?
Mary, please, excuse me, please. Please.
Why are you doing this? I mean, we can...
What is it?
Clinton, this is Mary, the girl Gina wanted to introduce you to. She is a low-class girl like yourself. You can just talk to her. Maybe, you never can tell, she will accept you. Excuse me. Listen.
Trisha?
Deeply sorry for that embarrassment. My name is Clinton.
It's fine. I should be the one apologizing. My name is Mary. Same here. Nice to meet you.
Things will always change. Life changes all the time. Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have.
You mean the man confirmed it?
Yes, ma'am. I have given him address to this place. He assured me that you're going to come.
Huh. You should have come with him. See, my son just left. If not, he would have taken you back to that place to bring the man here instead.
No need, ma'am. Yes, he will be here. I've already given him the address to this place. And besides, I don't know his house. We met in the bar. It was pure work of faith.
Oh God, I'm so happy. And I know my son will equally be happy to hear this. Yes.
we have to keep in touch, okay? In case if the man didn't come as he promised, we will send for you to go back there and bring him.
Ma, I know he will come. He has already assured me he will come here today. Okay. He was so happy and excited when I told him about his blood relatives. He confirmed it by telling me that his grandfather, told his father that they should not marry from Ienu. That means he's the one.
You see? Thank you very much.
I want to dress to look corporate, so that when my brother's son sees me, they will know that their uncle is not stupid. You see? I want to make you people understand that I know what I'm doing. Let me just get there and come back. Nano? Are you hearing me?
Papa.
Yes.
Papa. But I'm warning you. I'm warning you. Don't go there to fool yourself. Eh? See, is it that man that told you that thing? I don't trust him. You don't know whether he want to mock you.
Obinna, don't worry. Just hold your peace, Obinna. Let me get there first and come back. And let me tell you, I am giving you an assignment. Go and look for all these agents, house agents. Tell them you need an apartment, duplex, not flat, jump flat. I am bigger than flat now. Look for a good duplex, good one, Karaka. Yes, that's where I want to live now. And make your own choice of car. I've made mine, and I have chosen for my wife. Nkemobo Lexus 470. Nkemobo Lexus 350 metallic ash. Koganya. Kegi. Kegi ya portrait ate. 300. Same color. Oh yeah, anaga womb. We manage some womb. Woman na dia womb. Ina wata. Ana bike. What's the meaning? Let me tell you something. See, your master will regret sending you away because I am going to set you up in a bigger way.
And I Papa, I don't know why I'm laughing.
You can laugh and laugh as you like. I don't bloody care. When your mother comes back, tell her that soup, I will not eat it again. I will not eat that soup again. She should prepare fresh one for me. I'll go with her Zondo. Or better still, let her keep calm. When I come back, I'll come back to money. Just so you go, you should here, and you leave. What la? So how do I look? You laughing at me? Don't worry. I told you, make your own choice of car. I have made mine. How do I look? I'm here.
God, why did you give me this kind of man as my father? Eh? You want a lock. You want a lock and want to move. Thank your God. Thank your God. I'm a child of God. I would have used you for money rituals.
My daughter, I told you I am going to put an end to the issue of taxi. No more taxi.
I see the less. I know they like the way they follow me, they talk.
I have discussed with your mom.
To give me money,
and we have agreed.
The insult. I know they like the way they follow me.
We have agreed
that from today henceforth, you now use this car as your own personal car.
I'll get you a
yes.
I feel okay. For you. Anything for you. Anything for you. No! Anything for you. That's the key.
You my father!
Yeah! She's been happy.
I must give you one beer for my school. I must give you a beer for my school.
Yes.
Dikeh!
I will get you a driver. Because I know you don't know how to drive.
No. Suggestion not needed. Why you go tell me like that?
Let her be. Please.
Can you drive?
Please, let her be.
We don't do that, you do the stuff.
I am looking for Gina. Where is she?
Dad, she's not in school. She has gone home. What is going on between you two, Dad?
Are you mad? Eh? Are you mad? No, ask me that stupid question again and I will slap fire from your eyes. Crazy. I said show me Gina's class and you are asking me a question. Listen, you have done so much havoc. That girl has sacked me. There is no more money coming from her anymore. We will get home. Meet me at home.
What's going on? I don't know. This is so shameful. How can my dad be dating a girl old enough to be his daughter?
You again? Eh? Okeke, you again? I think my auntie don't want you say she don't want to see you for this house again. Eh?
Leave that side. I beg. Just help me. Call her. I want to see her.
Call who?
Gina. I want to beg her for forgiveness. Because.
Make I tell you, if you say you look well as you dey come so, if you say you look well, you get one car wey drive, come on, just no, you never even reach some seconds. Na hospital then they go so as you see them they drive.
Hospital? No, for what?
You get accident. That is why they rush her to hospital.
Gina, accident?
Don't be small, oh.
No, which hospital? Which hospital?
And they say that St. Luke.
St. Luke, eh? Okay. Thank you.
You should take them easy, oh. Yes, Oga. Who are you looking for?
Are you mad? Eh? Don't you know me? Even if you don't know me, did they not tell you that I will come here today? Eh?
Oga, I don't know what you're talking about. Who are you? Okeke.
If you ask him that question again, I will slap your head against this wall. Are you mad? Don't you know me? Open this gate. I want to go inside. I want to go and see my brother. He has been looking for me for many years now, and I've been looking for him too.
Oga, I'm sorry. You have to leave here, or I'll use force on you.
Eh?
Yes.
You use force on me?
Yes.
Biamokem, you are making a mistake because by the time I go in there and see my brother, I will sack you. You will no longer walk here. Open this gate now. I want to go and see my brother. Don't you know this is my brother's house?
Me?
Yes. Open my house. Get away from him.
You're mad. You're a madman.
Let's go inside though. This is number 9 of Rozuonye, of Rozulie Kogini. Of Rozulie. So this boy actually made a fool of me. This boy that calls himself a mega. He fooled me. He told me they would be waiting for me here. And now here I am, receiving this plates upon plates of insult. Let me see him again at that time. Let me see him at the obvious place again. Him and me up.
This is a very good news. Very good news. Impressive. This is exactly what I've been waiting for. But what I didn't get is, why didn't Emeka come with him? Knowing fully well that we've been waiting to see him.
That was exactly what I asked him. But he said the man promised to come here by himself. I'm here to see him.
Oh, he's going to come here today?
That was what Emeka said.
Wow.
So I'm still waiting.
Wow, Mom, I just can't wait to see him.
I already know you will be happy to hear this.
Of course, especially everything that we've passed through. I mean, everything we've suffered.
I think we have to inform the gate man.
Okay, Mom.
Yes, in case if there is anyone looking for us, he should open the gate for him.
No, that's not a problem. I can just call Emeka right away to go to that bar and get him here straight up.
You think so?
Of course. Let me just call him right away.
Okay.
Wow.
I was so ashamed of myself. If you see the way he was looking for Gina, as if she's owing him. When I told him she was not in school, he quickly ran to his car and left.
Chai. God, what have I done to Carlo to deserve this disgrace? Why Carlo is running after a small girl? Is he under spell? Why won't he look for a grown woman like me? What will people say when they hear this? Why?
We have to be praying for him. I don't think he knows what he's doing. The way Gina handled him yesterday shows he is deeply lusting after her. He couldn't even react. When he comes back to this house, he will turn me into a punching bag.
Mary, take a good look at your mother. I will not pray. I have to be strong. I have to be strong. I will not die because of Carlo. You can go ahead. You can go ahead and run after Gina, whether Gina, I don't know what people are calling her. Let him go ahead. I will not pray for him. I will not do it. He will not kill me. I'm a knife. Whatever one source. Send me. Forget it. You want to pray, then I will not pray.
Madam, please calm down. Please, calm down. She will not die. She only lost a lot of blood internally.
What? Doctor, whatever it takes, please start doing something. Please start doing something.
I saw this coming. I saw this coming. I even wonder, trying to stop her from driving the car. But you encourage her. You ask her to go on. And look at the effects. And look at the results.
Stop!
You know?
Our daughter is in a critical condition. All you could do is blame her. Who is above accident?
Please, sir, calm down. Calm down. Madam, please calm down. Please. She's not going to die. Unless we couldn't get 2 pounds of blood within 2 minutes.
Then what are we doing? What are we waiting for?
What we're waiting for now is first we have to test both of you to see if your blood matches to hers. And if it matches her, then we can take it and infuse it into her before injecting her. But we have to start now. Very fast.
Doctor, we are both happy. Test me.
Yes.
I'm ready.
And test me too. Ready? Yes. Okay, let me make arrangement for that.
I'll go back. No, my one.
For what now?
Yeah.
Hey, did I tell you that boy is not just a fool, but a liar? He lied to me.
Yeah.
He lied to me. See, okay, if I see him here again, I will strangle him. If I don't strangle him, let me die.
I'll go back and wait to Obi. Huh? I don't know what happened now. But are you sure you did not miss the address?
Okay. I did not miss anything, so I'm a fool to you. I did not miss anything. I got there. I saw the house. Okay, you won't believe that a human being, Mother Kereke, built that kind of house. You would think it grew up from the ground. Ha! Oh no! Oh!
I'll go no once a month.
I'm not worried.
Yeah. But I'll go back. I don't know what happened, but that guy cannot be lying to you. He's an educated man. Yes. Maybe something went wrong somewhere. I'm sure of it. It's either you did not get the correct address or there is no one in the house.
So to you now, I am a fool because I always come here to drink. No. That's why I'm a fool.
You are my customer now. How can I call you a fool?
Hey, over here I got to the house. I saw the gate man and I told him I have come to see my brother. He changed me. In fact, he vehemently refused me access into the compound. Yes.
But Cheru. Did you tell the gate man who you are? Even your name? Eh? Did you tell him?
Hey. Okay, you are saying the truth.
Hey,
I did not tell him my name. But even if I didn't tell him my name, they should have told him that someone like Obaka will be coming. What are you talking about? They should have told him that I will be coming. He made a fool of me. Ah. Oh. I am not drinking today.
Hi. So now some madam you spoil this fine car where she go to do anyhow.
Where I say I go carry my money buy when I get money.
Huh? You go carry your money buy car when which year you go get money which? That kind of dream no go work. Just leave am. See, the one way tire me. Understand? Waiting me the day after. No be this one way they even talk. Waiting me there after now. Make she dey well. You feel me? As for the motor, if she like, when she scatter the motor, if she like, it doesn't Papa like and well. So the man feel buy another one for her. Understand?
Me
That's
too.
she dey well.
I pray say me she well.
But waiting they do me and I say I hope say this one will serve as lesson for her. So this one don't happen, she go stop to the act anyhow where she dey act.
Act anyhow? If you look the game, you go see they like say the thing they are blood. Understand? But if you say now for hand that thing.
Is she okay?
See, her condition is very bad. Very bad. She's not even talking. Come on, please. You say her condition is bad. Eh? Hey. So she say she no fit talk. She no fit talk. Why did thing leave the place where the thing go do her? You know do her for hand. That's how she take the big. Ah. I pray make nothing happen to her. Beating continue.
Chief, I'm afraid there's a problem.
What's the problem?
What's that?
The blood test we ran on you people didn't match with your daughter's blood.
What does that mean?
Her blood type is ROH-O negative, while yours is ROH-A negative.
Doctor, what are you talking about?
Okay. See, sir, ma, what I'm trying to say here is that both of you cannot donate blood to her. So you need to go to the blood bank to get her blood type, and it's very, very rare.
We are her
biological parents.
How can we not be able to donate blood?
Chief, there is no time to waste. I suggest you go to Federal Medical Center to go and get her blood type, or else we will lose her.
Then what are we waiting for?
Very sorry. Don't worry, nothing will happen to you. I will not watch anything and see you die. Nothing will happen to you. Sorry. Iloh.
Good day, sir. Who are you?
Oh. I am one of her relatives. Yes. Please, what actually went wrong?
She needs a blood transfusion now. Okay. Why not go to the doctor's office and see if you can be of help? Because none of their blood matches hers.
There is no need. Can I donate my blood?
Of course you can. If you're tested and your blood matches her own, you can. Maybe go now. Like.
Where is the office?
Just the big corridor by your left, you see the office.
Okay.
Don't worry, she'll be fine.
Go and stay with her. Let me rush to FMC. When Tricia comes back, both of you can look after her. When I come back, we shall discuss why we couldn't donate blood to our daughter.
See, what are you talking about?
You can't donate blood to her. No. Wait.
Good day, sir.
Good day, doctor.
Yes. Welcome. How may I help you, sir?
Doctor, I came in respect of a girl that was rushed in some minutes ago. I mean, Chief's daughter, Gina.
Oh, Gina, Chief's daughter. No problem. But how may I help you with that?
In fact, we are close relatives. I heard that she needs blood transfusion.
Oh, yes.
Yes. So I said, let me come and assist in a little way.
That's really right. But if I may ask that, what is your blood type?
I don't actually know my blood type. But if you take me for a test, I wouldn't mind.
Oh, well, it's a good thing you're about to do. She will not die. She won't die. So long her blood matches with yours, we'll be okay with it. She just went out to get her blood type, and her blood is a rare type. No problem. No problem. I'll run yours now to see if it's a match with her, so we can make do with yours.
Actually, I don't want her to die. All the same, doctor, I want this. I want to be anonymous.
Don't worry, she won't die. She will not die. But once your blood matches with hers, that's okay. So let's go save a life. Are you ready now? Yes. Okay.
Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange. Things will always change. Life changes all the time.
See, I always want you to take things easy. But you will not listen. I really God will keep you for us. But I wonder why your father and I do not have your matching blood. What happened?
Maria. What's she doing?
She's just there. She's just there. Look at her. Hi.
It's okay, she'll be fine.
The doctor says she's bleeding internally. She needs blood transfusion. But the strangest thing is that her father and I have her matching blood.
How?
They say hers is RH negative. And that is why they difficult to find. I went to FMC to see if he can find one.
God, please. Save my friend. No, don't worry. You will definitely see, please.
This year, man. My friend does not have any driving experience. Just the father, because the father just gave her a car. She jumped into the car. Look at where he landed her.
Oh, it's okay now. It's okay. This is not time to blame her. Please. Is that why you remove your wig?
Charlie may know what is wig. This is my beauty. Look at the way she is. Let her get one and wear the best in the world.
Mommy, she'll be fine. She'll be fine. Stop this thing you're doing. You're breaking my heart. Stop.
Okeke, I want you to be very vigilant. Yeah? If there's anyone out there looking for me, kindly bring that person in here. Or you call me. Is that clear?
Okay, sir. But Oga, a man came here today.
A man? What was he like? And what did you tell him?
Oga, I sent the man out. The man, they behave like a madman. So I sent the man out.
Okeke, you did what?
That was him. That's how he talks. He behaved like a drunk.
Okeke, are you insane? Are you insane? You sent my own visitor out of my house without telling me?
Oga, if you see how the man, they not forget. So the man, they behave like a madman.
Can you shut up? Can you imagine this fool? Huh? Did he tell you he was looking for you or me? Why didn't you come to tell me? Huh? What the gods? Are you out of your senses? Get out of here. I said get the... Please, Emeka, I want you to kindly rush to that bar right away, please, okay? Let me just stay right here and wait for him in case if he decides to come.
No problem. That's a good idea.
Okay, please
let
rush
me
here.
check.
Please. Thank you. All right. I appreciate it. But let me work with you.
Thank you very much, sir. Your blood matches with hers.
Oh.
You are truly a relative.
Thank God. Good one there, doctor. Good one there. So, what next, doctor?
We will have to go in now for the blood extraction. But I hope you have eaten.
Yes, loaded.
Good. Very loaded. Good. Let me prepare for that.
Hey.
Hello? Please make arrangement for me for the blood.
Hey! Honestly, I am so ashamed of myself today. Can you imagine that the gate man did not grant me access into the compound?
Why would the gate man allow you to enter the compound? I told you it's not possible. Why do you like to disgrace yourself?
Did you say himself? You feel like how could you believe what someone who was as drunk as you were told you? This is the reason our daughter Trisha is always angry with us.
Let her be angry. What's my business? She can go ahead and be angry. After all, I did what I was told to do.
Papa, it's not possible. It's not possible. Do you know who that man is? Huh? A billionaire. But see, do you know that man's son? That man's son will not even have the time.
But I was actually told he sent out that researcher.
Papa, forget about that stupid researcher. He's a liar.
Mama. Please, go and warm that soup. Give me something to eat. If you see where I trekked from.
Wait.
If you see where I trekked, Papa. I trekked back here. If you see where I trekking.
Did you say what the soup? The same soup you told your son to tell me to throw away. Did you say you were going to throw a party? What about the car?
Papa, see. He told me to go and search as you go and make the search for the car, the type of car I will buy. I've arranged for your own car. I've arranged for Mama's car and my own car too. So that if you drive me home, Mama will drive me home. I will drive me home. Isn't that what you said? So, even the house, I have seen agent. If you see this agent, hey, he's one in a million. He's the best agent in this village. So,
everyone shut up! Shut up!
Madam, it's okay. Okay, she will not die. She's okay. A miracle just happened before I came in.
What?
A man walked in and donated blood for your daughter.
Thank God. Who? Which man is that?
He said he wants to be anonymous. I did a check on him and his blood matches your daughter's blood. Right now he's donating blood. Nurse, please prepare her to receive the blood.
The doctor, my chief said people have gone to FMC to take blood.
Madam, time is not on your daughter's side. The most important thing now is that I have screened the man and his blood matches the daughter's blood. So we need to save life. Who the man is of no issue right now. After all, the donor chief went to get is not for family member. If only chief can get blood on time, so we don't have to waste time.
Doctor, what is that man? What is his name?
Mom, he's right.
Nurse, I would like you to please prepare her very fast. Now leave me
He came here and told me that you lied to him and that he went there and the gate man insulted him. I was even doubting him.
I told Clinton that the man was so excited when he heard about his blood lineage. There's one problem I have with gate men. They never listen. But please, do you have any information or his house address so that I can reach him?
No, he's only a customer. I don't know his house.
Well, it's alright. I'll keep coming until I meet him again. But meanwhile, I'll drop my number so they can call me in case if he comes. Please.
That would be better. But he comes here on a daily basis. Maybe you will come back tomorrow and check if he's here.
It's alright. Please, where's your girl? Let me bring it from.
Madam. You get
Chief, he said he is a relative and he chooses to be anonymous.
That is unacceptable to me. As far as he's my relative, I want to see him. I want to know why his blood matched that of my daughter.
That makes him a relative truly. Besides, he just saves your daughter's life and you should be very grateful, sir.
I am. And that is why I must see him. Why will I and my wife not be able to donate blood to our daughter?
Well, it happens all the time, though in rare occasions. If I may ask, sir, is she adopted?
Hell no. I personally took my wife to the hospital when she missed her period. She was tested positive. I watched the pregnancy grow and I was there on the day of delivery.
Well, let's not detail much about the donor, please.
Doctor, you cannot tell me what to do and what not to do. I want to see him. In fact, I demand a DNA test run on my daughter and myself.
What? But Chief, don't you think your wife will be offended?
Stop that. She's my wife. She cannot tell me what to do. Besides, it's my money I'm spending. My own money.
All right, I'll do that.
What is this man doing here? Okay. I think I know what to do. Let Tina just get well. And I will tell her she will definitely arrest you. Can you imagine this man? Don't worry.
You demanded for DNA. Why? Why would you do that?
Why won't I? How could you and I not be able to have the matching blood with our daughter? And he said, an unknown stranger who is an unknown relative. But I know there is none of my relatives living in this city. None.
Chief, are you doubting me? You're doubting me, Mabel? Are you by any chance thinking I cheated on you? God in heaven knows that Gina is your daughter. But how we're not able to give her blood at this point in time when she needs it is what I can do right now.
And that is why I must have her tested. As for the stranger, who is the relative, I must find out who he is. I must. Yes.
Doctor wants to see.
Yes.
you're awake. Can you see me? You're awake. Hey, let me call the doctor. Doctor!
She is recovering speedily.
Good.
By this time next week, she will fully recover. And by Monday, she will be discharged.
I am so happy. My daughter is well again.
But sir, ma'am, there is something very important I need to discuss with three of you. There is something very important I need to discuss with three of you. So I would like to see you in my office. Please. Please follow me.
Should I come?
Yeah, follow me now.
This is what you would have done to me. I am happy that you're just realizing it now. I thought you would have waited for what that useless researcher told you.
Is that what you should say to Papa?
No, Shaki. I should clap for him because he's doing what he's supposed to do as a man. I should clap for him. Papa, take him.
Obinna, leave Tricia alone. Let her be. You see, tomorrow, Abba will gather for your master and I. I am going to set Abba on fire tomorrow because when I get there and your master refused to tell me what you did to him that made him send you away empty-handed, I will kill myself there. I will hang myself.
Very important, Papa.
Papa,
Kill yourself.
Papa, please don't overreact. All I need is just for the man to settle me. Please.
That one too is very important too. That man need to settle you because you know now very soon I'll start my project and I will need some money. Yeah.
To get what?
Money.
So let me tell you, you will not test a dime from it. Can you imagine us? Instead of you to go in there and bring people for us, you are here talking rubbish.
You see why I say you're a very useless boy? You don't have something here. See, please. But you know the one I told you I'm just coming back from the hospital and you're telling me to go inside and get food for you.
Obinna, Biko, please. I've told you to let your sister be. Go in there and check whether your mother is done with the cooking. I'm very hungry. You know where I came back from?
Don't worry. So let me tell you, if my Oga to me, I will not give you anything. Don't worry now. Come on, don't worry now. See how you get. I'll get the shirt. I'll get the moment. You can back up.
Don't tell me you're still thinking about this.
Mary, why won't I think about it? I never knew
That was the reason why your father has refused to give us money for food.
Every time you ask him of money, he will tell you there is no money. So that girl takes his money.
I don't think so. That girl comes from a rich family. How much can Dad give to her? If you ask me, I'm not sure that girl wants Daddy. I think it's Daddy that is chasing her down.
What a shame.
What a shame. I think he's back. Let him come. He will beat me to death.
Mom, please, oh.
He will beat me to death.
Please leave me alone, please. I don't want you to start beating us, people.
Welcome back. Hold your greeting to yourself. My food. Please, I am very hungry now. Can I get my food? Is there any food in this house at all?
Yes, there's food.
There is food. Good. Otherwise, you would have seen what I would have done to you. Go and get me the food quick.
Come.
Manu.
It's only God that will judge you.
Huh?
God will judge you.
And God will judge you too. God has already started judging you.
God will judge.
He has already started judging you. Look at you. God will judge you. She knows nothing and she does not know that she knows nothing and does not want to know anything. Nonsense. Mary, don't worry. It is both of us in this house. You will not rest. If you don't want me to rest, you will not rest.
I go sleep, I beg.
It's something now.
I don't like tennis, I do okay. You see that man for hospital?
Okeke. Gee, I see the man. I don't know anything that man wants from you. You mean Carol? That is me.
Don't worry. Increase the wish. I get plan for her. I go sleep.
Could it be the Carlo that I know?
No, it's okay. Alright. I've been waiting here all day for you to come and give me help. Right?
No, Carlo. We don't have to be seen doing this again. We can't hug. I think we need to cut this relationship off. Yes.
My love, why? Why? Please don't do this to me, okay? Please, I beg you. Please don't break my heart, please. My love, I hope you're not doing this because of Morris. Oh, please. Morris doesn't love you, okay? He wants you because he only wants the money. Please, I beg you. Don't do this to me, please.
I've actually taken a decision. I need to make my poor parents happy. Besides, last night, my father almost killed himself. He said if I don't marry Morris, he will kill himself. So we have to cut this relationship off. They are coming tomorrow to pay my dowry.
So this is about money, right? It's about money. What happens to the love we share? What happens to the love we profess to each other? Please, I beg you. Let's make love, okay? Yes, let me get you pregnant, okay? You have my baby inside of you. Whenever I see my baby, you remember me.
Carlo! No!
I'll see you right now. Please, I beg you, please. Please,
No.
Please, don't do this to me, please, I beg you.
Hang on a bit. Could it be this Carlo that I know? Why is he after me? Whoever told him to live here? Wait.
Why is he tormenting my daughter?
My family. Mommy, yes, ma'am. Who's Carlo?
No, nothing. I was wondering why the so-called Carlo was tormenting my daughter.
Okay. Let me write to school. I'll come back. I'll see you. Thank you very much. Take care.
Am I seeing right?
Yes, Chief. Please calm down, calm down. That was why I asked if she was adopted or not.
I should calm down. Also, all my life, I have been training somebody else's child. Loving the wrong person.
Chief, please calm down. Like I said before, this is not the right time for your daughter to hear this.
She's not my daughter. She's not. She's not my daughter. That's what the paper says here. That's what the result says. Look, if you don't want me to kill you here, start telling me who was the donor?
The donor? But Chief, he chooses to be anonymous.
I said, who was the donor?
He chooses to be anonymous.
I did not pay you to please somebody else and displease me. It's my money. I paid you to do my job.
Please.
Stop talking.
Yeah. You're funny. Because she made the introduction, you want to see it through?
Well, according to my late grandfather, this life you see is a pot of beans. So we must take anything that comes our way, taking it as God's plan. So right now, I take this whole thing as God's plan, and I'm happy about the whole development. Honestly, I am.
Well, you're right. You can meet friends anywhere, anytime.
Great. So that is the point where I would like to request if we can be friends.
But we're friends already.
I know we are, but I'm talking about being more than a friend. Though I know this is not the right place for us to talk about that. Hopefully we'll sit out sometime. Today is Monday, so it's a busy day for everybody. I know.
I know. Well, we'll see to that. I like your understanding that today is Monday.
Yeah, that's Clinton for you. Clinton understands. Okay, so do you mind if I have your contact?
Okay.
Okay.
080.
Hey! Wonders shall never end. Wait, this guy. So wait, if you're asked to be foolish, you'll be foolish. No. This is so funny. Is this how gullible you can be? Ha! Well, it's good for the both of you. Gina, my friend, must hear this one. Continue. Just keep it up. Look at you, low life.
Hey, I hope you're not bothered about that rubbish display.
It's fine, I'm used to it already.
So see you next time. Call you on the phone.
What have I not done for you? Remember, I showered you with love. What did I not do for your poor family? For you to pay me back in this manner.
What are you talking about?
Look at it! See!
This is a lie.
Why should you hurt me this way?
This is fake. I decided to marry you and I didn't look back. I married you. I've never cheated on you. This is a lie. What's happening? This is a lie. This is a lie. I don't see it.
Do not daddy me. Ever! Don't daddy me anymore!
Talk to her like that.
Ask your low-life mother who your real father is. Ask her!
What? Why you dey cry? Okay, what is this?
She's your daughter. I swear by my dead parents, I've never cheated on you.
What is this?
This is a DNA test run on you at the hospital, and it says that you are not my daughter.
It's not true. She's your daughter.
Don't do this. God, don't do this to me.
Since that day, he has not come here again.
How come? I wouldn't want it to look to them as if that I was lying to them. God.
I'll be one, your mother.
Here he comes.
Oh, thank God that you are here.
You fool! Liar! You made a fool of me.
Calm down.
You made a fool of me.
Just calm down. Just for yourself.
If not for one thing, I would have struggled you here now.
Just calm down, sir, please. I understand how you feel, but please just calm down. You don't know how happy I am seeing you. Please,
sit down where? Waka. I don't sit here.
For you to know that I'm not lying, I will take you there personally after we are done drinking.
Eh? What?
I'll go back.
Again.
He came here the other day looking for you. What you want, Obi?
Are you serious?
Now. Ha.
I went to Aba with my son to see his master, who refused settling him after many years of service. We came back last night. I went about to show him the kind of person Obaka is.
You are highly welcome, sir. To tell you the truth, today you will know that I'm telling you the truth. I will take you there. I mean it. Please, tell your girl to give me. Give me the food dog. Give it to him. Even me, give it, just give it to him.
Start talking. Who is Carlo?
Daddy, I already told you. Kalu is the taxi driver.
A taxi driver gave you blood at the hospital. The doctor told me. But I'm not asking you. I'm asking your mother. Who is Carlo to you?
Jim, I've never cheated on you. Never have I cheated on you. Gina is your daughter. Carlo was my teenage boyfriend.
Let's do this thing. Let's do this.
Carlo! So
So this is what you have been doing in this village? Hey. So this is what you have been doing? Come on. Hey. You won't go problem. Carlo, you will go problem in this community.
Hey, this is what you have been doing.
Maybe.
Fine. I can see you're really enjoying this money. Well, money is good. You have changed.
Come on, Carlo. There's no way to talk to an old friend in Lawson.
Old friend indeed. What about you? You that forgot me. I mean, because you didn't work out for us, you forgot me so soon.
Carlo, I didn't forget you. I barely have time for my own self ever since I got married. This is the first time I'm actually coming to this village to see my parents. And I mean, after seeing them, I'll come and see you. If I don't have you in mind, would I have been here to see you? I would have gone from there now. So come on, I heard you're married now.
Yes, of course. I mean, since it didn't work out for us, I had to find someone else.
It could be God's will. So, tell me about yourself. What are your plans? Because you can't stay in this village to raise your children.
Of course I can't stay in this village. I have a small business I want to go into in the city. I've also seen a house. I'm putting up money together. As soon as it's complete, I will leave this village.
That's good. So where do you want to base?
Onitsha. Well, my wife is, she's pregnant. So I need to leave this village as soon as possible.
Okay, me too, I'm pregnant.
Serious? Well, that's good news. So, did you tell him about us?
No, I did not. You see, that is why I want to see you. We really need to talk about many things because I'm not really so easy about the way we actually separated. I'm not happy. So I feel at least we could still be friends, talk, communicate. You have my number, you call me. At least when you come to Onitsha, you call me, I come and pick you. Help you out, maybe in renting an apartment and a business. It won't be bad. What do you think? Because I really do not want your wife to suffer in pregnancy. You know, marriage is not easy. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, you said you were coming to my place and I'm going out. I don't know. Maybe we could walk together.
That was it. After I helped him, he used to come around our house when we were living with your parents. I saw him last night I put to bed. Ever since then, I've never set my eyes on him again.
She didn't cheat on you? Then, I don't understand it.
Hey, Gina. I want to see that Carlo of a taxi man.
I have his number. I'll call him to come and pick me. But what if that Carlo is not the same Carlo? Something is not right. This test result is fake. It's fake.
This test is fake. Maurice, you were there when I missed my period. You were even the one that took me to the hospital. Until I started living with you, I've never lived in a strange way. I've never become unfaithful to you.
I don't care. I want to see that Carlo of a man. And you confirm if he's not the old boyfriend of yours. Gina, call him. Call him!
Hey! Mega, are you telling me that human beings actually live in this place?
Yes, your relatives are rich. Please, don't show them that you drink a lot.
What is the meaning of that?
I'm not insulting you, sir. I'm very sorry, but just behave yourself.
She's coming.
I don't know. Hey!
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's ma'am.
Sit down.
Thank you. Thank you. Are you my brother's wife?
Yes.
Eh? Unyem. Eh? Okeke.
Odimgbe, you're welcome, sir. Hey, my son is not around, and I need to call him now. I need to call him. Where is this girl? Would you get my phone, sir?
Clinton, brother, do you know you're funny? How? You mean you went after that girl?
I swear down, bro. Brother, that girl is so adorable. Now I understand when they say God works in a miraculous way. I am just so lucky.
Yeah. Sure. But you see, it's so strange that the woman you've been going for now becomes the one introducing your kind of woman to you.
That's the point. You just hit the nail on the head. This girl is everything I need in a woman. She's kind, she's caring, she's God-fearing, she's so adorable. And I am not taking time now to hit the nail on the head. Bro, I am going straight to the point, bro.
Bro, that's what's
straight
up.
to the point.
That's what's up. I got your back.
Just hold it.
Okay.
Mama de mama. Mom with my voice displays it all. Yeah. I'm just chilling with Harry. I mean, we are just discussing about the good things. Are you kidding me? Mom, you're lying. Are you for real? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I'm coming straight away. All right, mommy.
Now what happened?
What is happening?
Now what happened?
The man I've been waiting for is right there at home.
One day, can't you see that everything is working good for you?
I swear down, bro. I swear down. Can you just imagine? Listen, you have to sew your clothes and get ready.
But we have a question. I should sew which one? For the coronation or for the wedding?
Yes. My father told us then, but I never had it in mind. You see, my grandfather came to Umuchu and everybody in Umuchu loved him because he had some healing powers. And because of that healing power, he opened a traditional healing home.
Exactly. From my research, I was meant to know that there is a healing power that runs in the blood of Ajemele. Ajemele gave birth to Agudosi.
Agudosi.
Agudosi gave birth to Okaije. This is quite interesting. I mean, it's so nice. Wow. You're welcome.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
Thank you. This is just a dream come true. We've been looking for you. We've been tracing you. Wow.
We are so
this
happy.
calls for celebration, honestly. This calls for celebration.
Yes.
We have to celebrate this. But your family needs to be here.
My wife and my son, they are both at home. My daughter is still in school, but she will soon come back.
Oh, that's not a problem. I can call my boy to go pick them up.
Yes, yes.
Eh?
Yeah,
yes.
let me do this.
Hey!
Just feel like
No. I am now a rich man. I will not be a rich man.
You became a rich man. Immediately you stepped your foot into this family.
Yeah.
Where is Ajibo? Ajibo?
I was discussing with some passengers. That is why I could not hear you.
No problem, sir. Can you come inside and help me do something? Yes.
Is your mother in this?
No. You know my mother?
I used to know.
Come in.
I'll kill that man and I'll kill that girl. She's not taking my place in this house. It's not possible. I will not allow it. I won't.
Chief, where is our daughter?
I'm going to kill that girl and I'm going to kill that man. She's not going to take my place for this house. She's not taking my place in this house. Never.